Hello everyone, my name is Izan Mansuri and today I want to share a real life inspired experience from my college life. This experience taught me the importance of values like finding solutions, creating value, engaging deeply, thinking in enlightened self interest, practicing empathy, and building trust. This incident happened during one of my semesters in college. Exams were approaching, and like most students, everyone around me was busy with preparation. But one of my close friends was going through a very difficult time. He was completely unprepared. He had missed several important concepts and lectures, and because of that, he had lost confidence in himself. Day by day, his stress kept increasing. He started feeling that no matter what he did, he would fail. Slowly, he stopped studying, avoided discussions, and even began isolating himself from others. Seeing this situation, I felt concerned. At that moment, I had two clear choices in front of me. One option was to focus completely on my own preparation because my exams were also important. The other option was to step forward and try to help my friend, even if it meant giving some of my own time and effort. I decided to help him. Instead of looking at his situation as a problem, I tried to approach it with a solution mindset. I sat down with him and had a proper conversation. I asked him where exactly he was facing difficulties. We identified the subjects and topics he was struggling with the most. After understanding his situation, we created a simple and realistic study plan together. Instead of trying to cover everything at once, we divided the syllabus into smaller and manageable parts. I explained difficult concepts to him in a way that was easy to understand, and we focused on practicing important questions. This process was not easy. It required patience, consistency, and effort from both of us. But I made a conscious decision to engage deeply in this process. We studied together almost every day. Sometimes we had long discussions, sometimes we revised topics again and again, and sometimes we even studied late at night when things were not going as well. During this time, I realized something very important. Helping him was not just about supporting another person, it was also helping me grow. This is what I understood as enlightened self interest. By teaching him, my own understanding became much stronger. Concepts that I thought I already knew became clearer. I also became more disciplined with my time and more responsible in my actions. So, in a way, helping him was also helping myself improve. Another important value I experienced during this time was empathy. Instead of judging him for not studying earlier, I tried to understand his situation. I tried to understand his fear, his pressure, and his mindset. Sometimes he didn't need explanations. He just needed someone to listen to him and encourage him. So I made sure that I supported him not just academically but also emotionally. I motivated him, reassured him, and reminded him that improvement was still possible. Slowly, I started seeing a change in him. His confidence began to return. He started participating more in studies, asking questions, and taking initiative. But the most important outcome of this entire experience was trust. He trusted me that I would support him consistently and made sure that I stayed committed to that. I did not leave him midway. This consistency built a strong bond of trust between us. We both realized that trust is not built by words alone. It is built by actions, by being present, and by being reliable. Finally, when the exam results were announced, he passed his exams. It was a very happy moment, not just for him, but for both of us. It truly felt like a shared success. This experience taught me that real growth does not come from focusing only on ourselves. It comes from working together, understanding others, and creating value through our actions. In conclusion, I learned that we should always focus on finding solutions instead of problems, create value through meaningful actions, engage deeply in whatever we do, think beyond narrow self interest, practice empathy towards others, and most importantly, build trust through consistent behavior. Thank you.